Nerdy, can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white.
'Twas the night before finals week, and all through the dorm, the sophomores were studying, a part of the norm. Then Dexter had the idea, a video blog, what fun! Especially since October his studying was done. I'm Dexter Brown, by the way. I'm a chemistry major. It's so much fun. Right now, it's finals week, but you can only do so much studying. I'm hanging out here in the laundry room until the study lounge in there is open so that I can orally review all of my facts. But I mean, you can only go over the solubility rules so many times. I know them by heart. It's part of what makes me, me. Nitrate is NO3- and it's soluble in anything. I always breathe a sigh of relief when I see NO3 in a compound because I know it's going to dissolve right out. While everybody else is studying, I thought it would be a better use of my time to make a vlog about what it's like to be a studly genius. Sometimes people try to call me names like nerd, geek, dweeb. I just shove them into a locker. Actually, I can't because of the very disproportionate nature of our relative body masses, but wouldn't that be a great physics imbalance? I think that a really important thing for people to realize is that number one, we nerds are everywhere. And number two, we're going to be your boss one day. Hopefully. At least that's what my mom always tells me. To study for chemistry, I just rework some of the problems that we had in the textbook already. I get distracted though by the arithmetic of it all. I'm a sucker for a good buffer equation. The periodic table of the elements is my desktop background. I just get so fascinated by how genius it is. All of the rows and columns and everything just works out perfectly. My mom still picks out all of my clothes. And then I call her every morning for help with picking out my outfit. Sometimes when I am talking to my mom on the phone about what I'm going to wear, she starts crying a little bit and she says things like, "Dexter, you should get a girlfriend." But then I say, "Oh mom, you know you're the only girl for me." She's my mom. I don't know what I am going to do if another person asks me to explain significant figures to them. I mean, it's not that hard. A significant number is any number besides zero, unless the zero is between two other numbers that aren't zero. Sometimes I like to make the joke that I have a significant figure. A single replacement reaction looks like AB plus C yields A plus CB. I like to think of it as a soap opera when there's another woman that comes in. That makes it really juicy. And then a double replacement reaction looks like AB plus CD yields AD plus CB. So much drama. You know, I don't like the term geek. I prefer high-achieving student or model for academic success. Oh, look at that. Some of my grades are already on Blackboard. A. Way to go, Dexter. I am really gonna miss this semester. It was my first experience with organic chemistry, but it's making me a little nervous to have been gone from my studies for so long, so I'm gonna have to go hit the books. Just remember, if you're not a part of the solution, you're part of the precipitate.
White and nerdy, I wanna roll with the gangsters. They're so far, they all think I'm too white and nerdy. Think I'm just too white and
I'm so friggin' excited!